Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a custom theme in the Microsoft Power Apps and apply that custom theme to the modern controls. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. So right now I am in one of my application, which is a dummy application for the products. Right, and as you can see, the current theme is blue one. Now I'm going into the settings and insert the updates. I'm going to enable the modern controls and themes so that we can have that modern theme support. So once I go and click on these three ellipses, we have this themes option available. And these are the default themes which are available to us. There's green, SharePoint color, steel color, and every color. The color current theme is Power Apps. If I go and change it to orange, right? So as you can see, the theme is converted to this orange theme. If I go and change it to green, the theme is changed to the green one. Okay. But there is another option which is available for us in this by default theme is to create a new theme. So when I click on it, we have this nicely looking pop-up to create a new theme. I can provide my theme a color. I can provide my theme a name as my theme. If I want to select a font for my theme, let's say I want these fonts. I'm not sure what it is. It is a great whites. The torsion. What does the torsion means? Impacts the tint, shade or tone of the palette, especially the lighter colors. And what is the vibrancy? That is impact the mutinousness and the brightness of the palette, especially the light colors. Okay, so this is the available color palette for my theme. So I can just go and change my color based on the palette on the selection. I can provide my hex code. If I know the RGB code for that, I can also do that, right? This lock primary color, there is one feature for the lock primary color, which is in preview right now. So I'm not going to use it, but in the future videos, we can have a look into this lock primary color feature. So as soon as I select my theme, my color for my custom theme, right? According to that, as you can see, this palette is also being changing. Right? For example, if I am taking this color, you can see the change in this. Just select something related to yellow, the changing in this palette color is also there. So when I go and click create, this theme is available and it is being applied. So as you can see, the fonts are changed and also the color has been changed. If I go and edit this theme, I can just go and simply click on it. I can change the name, I can change this value, right? And according to that, my theme is being changed. So let's say I want this theme, as you can see. Okay, so this is a very quick introduction about how we can create custom themes into this, right? So this is a very quick introduction about how we can create my themes or custom themes into the Microsoft Power Apps and apply that to the modern controls. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.